turned out of a piece of round bar stock. And the eccentrics are all timed with the crank throws, and so that took me probably 3 months of evenings when I was working.
Yeah.
I'd come out here at night for work for an hour or two, and I haven't got it all assembled. That's the only one that's got a valve in it, and that's the only one that's got valve gear as well, and it runs the valve back and forth.
Right.
And this is what puts it from full forward to full reverse, and then you can cut down the stroke on the valve to save steam. And then when it gets in the middle, there's nothing. It just doesn't move. That's where the steam goes in. And no, that's where it's been so long since I worked on this one, I forget. There's another manifold for the steam inlet. I don't know where it goes. Inlet, exhaust. No, can't be. No, that's not right. Anyway, there's a lot of work in that.